Howdy, howdy everyone. Today we are going to be learning how to make the magic ring or the magic circle. In order to do this, what you need to do is hold your yarn between your thumb and pointer finger, make an X around those two fingers, hold it with your pinky, put your hook underneath that first yarn, grab hold of the top yarn, pull it under, flip it around, yarn over, and pull through the loop. And a magic ring. Do that one more time. Make an X around your fingers. Put your hook underneath the bottom yarn, grab hold of the top yarn, pull it under, flip it around, yarn over, pull through the loop. You have a magic ring. Now, there is another alternative if you truly just cannot figure out how to do the magic ring. There is another way you can do this, is to chain 4. I've always just chained 4. I'm sure you can chain more or chain less, but chain 4 and then slip stitch to that first chain, slip stitch to the first chain, chain 1 or chain 2 if you're doing double crochets, and then you can, inside that circle, you can see that little opening. That's where you're going to put your stitches. It works just as well, especially if you don't need to pull that tight. You're not going to be able to pull it tight like a magic circle. And sometimes I really like to pull that tight. But if it doesn't matter to you, then this will work just fine. So, as you can see here, I did a chain 4 and put however many you need in there. But see how there's just this little space. So when you slip stitch to close, you're going to have that little circle and you won't be able to close it up. So there you have it. Easy magic ring or magic circle. If this was at all helpful, please like this video, subscribe, leave me a comment down below on what you would like to learn next or what you'd want me to make next, and I will see you in the yarn aisle.